I had solar installed by Team Sunshine, awesome people to work with. Explained everything to me, what they were doing, how they were doing it. You don't get too many people like that anymore. I was very happy with the install. This, I believe, is the largest install in this area, and this is as green as I can get. I guess I'm doing my part to help the environment. Within the last year, I think Eversource jacked up their prices 2 or 3 times, and then our electricity bill was just going up and up and up. It depends on how busy I am. I can use quite a bit of power. Like I said, I have paid $1,200 Eversource bills for a month. That's a lot of power, especially when you do a lot of welding. That draws a lot of amperage. For Team Sunshine, I mean, they didn't screw off. They were working like hourly employees, you know what I mean? They weren't working like salary employees. They were moving all the time. It took them a couple of days to do it, but once it was done, it was gorgeous. I mean, it is a nice system. I have absolutely no problem with Team Sunshine. I have already recommended Team Sunshine to my friends. I have friends that are looking into solar just as I did, and I would recommend them to do any job as far as solar is concerned. They did a very professional job, and they handled themselves professionally. I own a small machine shop, and I've owned it for 21 years. Solar is powering my main box, handling the whole thing. I have no drop in. It's put up there nice and even. You'll notice that it is very symmetrical with the house. People drive by and say, "Hey, that's a nice system you got there." I go, "Yeah, it is."